introduction. Hello everyone, my name is Mukwaba Dennis and I'm from Group I1E. With me is Makanga Christopher and Agaba Claire on the other side of the line. So we are taking you through our project, our topic, explainable graph neural networks for employee attrition. Let's dive into it. Those are the group members. That's our table of content. So introduction, we collected 2 data sets related to our topic of study and intensively reviewed each one of them. And these 2 data sets are HR employee attrition and HR analytics. And from these 2, we chose one which was the best as HR employee attrition, and so we chose to perform our EDA on. So the reason as to why we chose it is that we chose the data set above for our EDA because it was large enough. It had higher quality data, and more features that are relevant to our topic of study. So EDA refers to a method of study and exploring record sets to apprehend their predominant traits, discover patterns, locate outliers, and identify relationships between variables. So the EDA we performed on our data includes univariate analysis, bivariate, and multivariate analysis. So we the data we selected, we loaded it in Jupyter for our EDA using this line of code. Then which we used DF head to choose the first 5 from our data sets, which is this. So checking and cleaning, it's notable in our points about the data set that there are 1,470 observations and features. Of course, the data set contains 2 types of data, which is objects and integers. Then it's basic that there was no missing data at all. That's why we chose. Then attrition is dependent or target variable, and others are independent variables. And 0.5, it is an imbalanced data set, as there are almost 16% cases of employees left the company, while 84% of the employees are still carrying on with their job. Let Madam Claire take us through the next slide.
Yes, good evening. Thank you, Dennis. I'll take it from here. On our data transformation, we had to change some data types from text to numerical data for easy analysis. We actually changed the attrition column from it was a yes and no to 1 and 0. 1 standing in for yes and 0 standing in for no. Then we deleted some features that were not relevant to our study. We deleted the employee ID column. Then on attrition rate visualization, we used with 2 graphs. When you look at the amount of the employees that left the company, we are seeing 237 employees actually who left. Next slide, please. So then, sorry about that. On univariate feature analysis, we used our histograms, and if you're to check our note down here, we are saying the analysis shows that monthly income, distance from home years at company have outliers, which we shall handle later to avoid high bias and high variance. Because if you look at our histograms here, you can see, okay, you from the monthly income, that's why you should put your cursor. Yes, from if you look at this graph, you can see that these three graphs minus the one for, I can barely also read my own words. But anyway, that's it. Chris can take it from there.
Okay, good evening, everyone. My name is Christopher, and I'll take it from here. I'll be taking you through bivariate feature analysis. Now, we did bivariate feature analysis comparing two features against attrition, which is our dependent variable. And from this, we discovered that two of the features, in the first case, we had performance rating. For performance rating, rate 3 and rate 4 were almost equal. And then for gender, male and female were also equal. So we concluded that we will later, we will have to drop these two features. That's what happened from our bivariate analysis. Now in multivariate feature analysis, we did we compared a number of features and we came up with these conclusions. We concluded that the above analysis confirms that attrition rate for male is a bit higher than female. Monthly income rate, age, is almost equal for both gender. There is a linear relationship between age and monthly income. Attrition rate is higher for those employees who are having lower income as well, younger in age. Attrition rate and monthly income rate both are high in sales department. Employees rate those who are living far away from the company have more chances of leaving the company. The above the analysis also shows that employees who are in level education of 5 have a low chance to leave the company, and they have a lower hourly rate at the company. Then we also concluded that the above analysis that employees who are in human resource and technical degree education field have a higher chance to leave the company, and employees in technical degree background are leaving from the company with high daily rate. Employees who are working from who have been working with the company for about 2 years and as well are on job level 1 have a high chance to leave the company. Employees whose monthly income rate is low and travel frequently are having more chances to leave the company. And in each job role, employees who leave the company, their daily rate is low as compared to those who are staying at the company. Employees whose monthly income is low and job satisfaction level at 1 have more chances to leave the company. And finally, we concluded that those employees who are single and they have a monthly income rate which is low have a high chance to leave the company. Now, finally, we have our citations. First, we have statistical analysis of employee retention. We collected these citations from Google Scholar. Then we have employee retention statistics that will surprise you in 2022. And then finally, we have machine learning technologies for big data analytics 2022. And want to thank you for watching our video. Leave any comments in the comment section, and in case you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Thank you very much. We can say bye-bye.